Delhi Collective is a young multidisciplinary firm founded by Siddharth Khatri and Mitali Kedia in 2017. Our philosophy is to create adaptive and sustainable designs with respect to its socio-cultural context. We at Delhi Collective look into actively solving problems through design thinking and developing human-centered design solutions. The site is situated in a wildlife corridor between Sariska Forest and Jalana Forest, Jaipur. The 9,000 square feet plot has wonderful views of the Aravalli Hills to the west, forest views on all other sides. The plot was bought looking at its location and what all it had to offer in terms of its surroundings. Being the owners, the outhouse provided us with an opportunity to experiment and have complete control over creating a unique design language. The house sits gently in a forested region near Jaipur, integrating life and nature into a soothing, peaceful, spatial experience. Our first impression of the project was that of excitement, and when you said about making a second home, the promise of a slice of nature and absolute serenity to be added to the comforts of a home made the proposition even better. All the materials used in the project were sourced locally from a 20-kilometer radius, keeping the house true to its rustic roots. We wanted a home that is rooted to tradition but forward-thinking in its design. We are avid nature lovers and wanted a quiet house within the forest. The idea was to create a simple floor plan that opens up into the landscape while capturing views of its surroundings through it. The interiors were designed with a mix of contemporary straight-line details and traditional eclectic furniture and decor, mirroring our own personality traits. The site is a skewed rectangle with a narrow front and back. This allowed us to design a very linear floor plan, leaving offsets from all sides. The overall elevation was a simple extrusion of the plan form with play of plaster and paint finishes with stone accents. The layout of the house works on a simple grid with the front and rear elevation being symmetrical. The flat facade is broken by veranda niches on the front and rear with Dholpur stone boxes cutting through the east and west walls. The keyhole opening of the main entrance is symbolic of the vernacular Haveli entrance design. We enter into a foyer which overlooks a small courtyard with a view of the forest ahead. The living and dining space is situated towards the front of the house with the kitchen servicing it and the main bedrooms towards the rear. Each space opens up onto the outside, keeping the landscape connected with the interiors of the home. The house is a small pergola feature made out of bamboo for one to enjoy the surrounding views of the hill and forest. Sustainability took another form in this design. We did not use sun shading devices like louvers or heat absorbing glass, but followed a more vernacular technique. We oriented our house in a north-south orientation to ensure light remains in all the rooms at all times, and created openings after studying the local wind patterns to keep cross ventilation an important factor in keeping the house cool during the summer months. We made a conscious effort in choosing materials that were founded around our site in a 20-kilometer radius. Brick wall masonry with two different types of plastering, Dholpur stone box windows, brown Kota stone for all the outdoor area flooring, and polished blue Kota for the interior spaces. Teak wood windows and doors, and the ceilings were exposed concrete. As for the color palette, we just wanted the house to merge in with the surroundings. The color of the sandy soil around the site was our inspiration for this. To conclude, we as a family are more than satisfied with the way the house turned out. We wanted the house to reflect our way of life, so a lot of the spaces and finishes that we chose were designed with that mindset. The response from the guests has also been wonderful. They fall in love with the simplicity. We have built ourselves our very own fortress of solitude.